Hello boys and girls. So today in this video we are going to study about the formation of male gamete, and this process is known as spermatogenesis. So technically we are going to study about spermatogenesis in this class. So what is spermatogenesis? In very simple words, spermatogenesis means formation and development of sperms. Okay, formation and development of sperms, that is known as male gametes. Okay, formation and development of sperms, that means male gametes, is known as spermatogenesis. Okay beta, so this is the very basic definition of spermatogenesis. Now what technically happens in spermatogenesis, we are going to study over here. So what happens in spermatogenesis, let's study. So first of all you have to understand that it occurs in two phases. Okay, it occurs in two phases. There are two phases which are responsible for spermatogenesis. First is formation of spermatids. This formation of spermatids also has three subphases. They are multiplication phase, then there is growth phase, and then there is maturation phase. These are the three phases of formation of spermatids, and the second step or second major phase is spermiogenesis. Okay, so these are the two phases of spermatogenesis: formation of spermatids, and the second is spermiogenesis. What actually happens in this type of processes we will study. First of all, note it down very carefully. So I hope you all have noted this. Now we are going to study how actually the formation of sperms takes place. Okay. So listen very carefully. We all know that the formation of sperm takes place inside the testis, deeply in the seminiferous tubule. The types of cell which are responsible for the formation of sperm are primary germ cells. So let us draw primary germ cell. So suppose we have drawn this. We have drawn primary germ cell, primary germ cells. Okay, these are primary germ cells and they are in diploid nature. In the comment section just tell me what is the nature of these primary germ cells, means whether they are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue or muscular tissue. Okay, in the comment section you please tell me. So these are primary germ cells. Let us consider any one of these cells. Let us consider this cell. will undergo mitosis division. Okay, this cell will undergo mitosis division. Okay, it is undergoing mitosis. It has formed two cells. Okay, now again these are known as spermatogonia. Okay, they are known as spermatogonia, the cells which are formed by the mitosis division, the cells which are formed by the mitosis division in the primary germ cell. This spermatogonia again undergo division to increase the number. These spermatogonia are again undergoing mitosis division in order to increase the number of themselves. So they will again form more spermatogonia just because they are doing mitosis to increase their number. So more spermatogonia are formed. Okay, more spermatogonia are formed. Now in this spermatogonia there are two types of spermatogonia. They are of two types spermatogonia. There are two types of spermatogonia. One is again they are 2n. They are 2n means diploid. There are two types of spermatogonia. One is type B spermatogonia. They are type B spermatogonia, and another is type A spermatogonia. Okay. So here we are just seeing that the division is taking place only just to increase the number of spermatogonia. That's why we will consider this phase as multiplication phase. Multiplication phase. Okay, this is multiplication phase up to the formation of type A and type B spermatogonia. Now what is type A spermatogonia and what is type B spermatogonia? Type A spermatogonia are those spermatogonia which again undergo mitosis to increase number. These spermatogonia will not be involved in the formation of sperm. They will just divide to form more spermatogonia. So we will write divides mitotically means through mitosis division, divides mitotically to form more spermatogonia. Okay, they are dividing repeatedly to form more spermatogonia. And type B spermatogonia involves, या फिर ऐसे लिख लीजिए, undergo meiosis to form sperm. Okay, these spermatogonia will undergo meiosis to form sperm. So the type B spermatogonia is going to form sperm. Okay, so one of these two spermatogonia, suppose let us this spermatogonia is now getting its size increase. So the size of this spermatogonia has been increased. Okay, the size of this spermatogonia has been increased. Okay, so in this phase we are seeing over here that from a small cell the size of a cell is increasing. So we will consider this phase, up to this, from primary type B spermatogonia to this increased sized cell. This phase is known as growth phase. This is known as growth phase. Okay, and this cell which is formed due to the increase in size, this is known as primary spermatocyte. Okay, now you will think why the size of cell has increased in this primary spermatocyte. It is just because due to due to increase in number of mitochondria. Okay, due to increase in number of mitochondria, the size of this cell has been increased, and this phase is known as growth phase in the formation of spermatid. Okay, now this primary spermatocyte will undergo meiosis division. Okay, this primary spermatocyte will undergo meiosis division. Now as we know that meiosis occurs in two phases, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So this phase is meiosis first. It is going in meiosis first, and the cells formed are, this primary spermatocyte is 2n. The cells formed are, these are the two cells which are formed by the meiosis first in primary spermatocyte. So the cells formed are, they are known as secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte. These are the secondary spermatocytes, and this secondary spermatocyte will again undergo the meiosis division, which is second meiosis, meiosis 2. You know very well, it is meiosis 2. It is meiosis second, and they will form 4 cells, 2 from each. Okay, and these cells are known as spermatids. These cells are known as spermatids, and they are haploid. These primary secondary spermatocytes are also haploid. So this is the process of formation of spermatids. Okay, and this phase, this phase which is undergoing when the primary spermatocyte is going meiosis first to the formation of spermatids, this phase is known as maturation phase. This is known as maturation phase. So this is the first step. Now the spermatids which are formed, okay, these are not sperms. These are not sperms. The spermatogenesis has not been complete yet. Okay, the spermatids which are formed, they are circular cells, and they are non-motile. Okay, they are non-motile, and one important thing, they are not sperms. Okay, ये स्पम्स नहीं है, नॉन मोटाइल हैं, क्योंकि इनमें यहां पे टेल एब्सेंट है. ओके, द टेल इज एब्सेंट इन स्पर्मेटिड्स. यहाँ पे अभी स्पम्स का फॉर्मेशन नहीं हुआ है, स्पम्स अब आगे फॉर्म होंगे. सो प्लीज नोट इट डाउन, देन वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पम्स. ओके, I hope you all have written this. Now we are going to study another thing. So we have studied till now that the spermatids are formed. These are the spermatids. These are the spermatids. Okay, spermatids. Okay, and they are not sperms. So these spermatids now will be converted into tail bearing sperms like this. They will be converted into tail bearing sperms. They are converted into tail bearing sperm. These are spermatids, now they are sperms. These are sperms. So the process through which the process through which the spermatids are converting into tail bearing sperms, they are known, this process is known as स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस। स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस की डेफिनेशन आप अगर लिखना चाहें तो इस तरीके से लिखते हैं, conversion of spermatids into tail bearing sperms. Okay, conversion of spermatids into tail bearing sperms, this process is known as spermiogenesis. Now what happens to these sperm? Actually they are immature right now. How will they will become mature? First of all, we know that this is, let us consider it is a seminephros tubule. It is seminephros tubule, and this is what? These are the Sertoli cells. What will happen? Actually the sperms are here. Sperms कुछ यहाँ बने होंगे, यहाँ पे sperms present होंगे. What will happen? These sperms will go and the head will be embedded into the Sertoli cells. ये sperms जो होंगे इनका जो head है वो Sertoli cells में embed हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे सिर्फ इनकी tail बाहर रहेगी. The head will be embedded in the Sertoli cells. Okay. Now what happens? We can write here. Sperms enter their head into Sertoli cells for maturation. Okay, sperms enter their head into Sertoli cells for maturation. So the sperms which are formed, they will get enter into the cells of Sertoli or sustentacular cells so as to enter into the phase of maturation. This is all about the spermatogenesis. Now in the next video we will consider the next topic, that is oogenesis. Okay.